First of all, the improvised traffic control system was introduced way back in 2023 of 25th of July under the NCAP initiative. And this year round, we had submitted a micro action plan proposal for another set of traffic signal lights at 2 more locations and installation of NPR CCTV cameras at important junctions to monitor traffic flow. The National Clean Air Program Committee has generously agreed to our proposal, and that is why we have been able to initiate the installation of the traffic lights, and NPR CCTV cameras will be taken up at a later stage. And we are honored and thankful to CP Madam for providing us with crucial inputs and suggestions throughout the installations from the word go. And I would like to especially put on record our deepest appreciation to Deputy Commissioner Dimapur, Dr. Tinojongshi Chang, who is also the chairman of the implementation committee of the NCAP, for always being supportive to our cause. The traffic light system and the proposed NPR and CCTV cameras is a way towards reducing carbon footprint caused due to vehicle emissions in the atmosphere, and which can be reduced through traffic decongestions in the city.
Today we are inaugurating these integrated traffic management systems. Amakan laka DCP traffic per kwa nishina itu first time bin hoy amakan already 2 intersections te itu install kurigina aigina ase, and we are adding 2 more additions to the already installed systems. So Dimapur to Saishi Kulido, we have the highest number of traffic in the whole of Nagaland. Aro hotai busy thaga amakan logoti intersection ekta kurigina itu issues kanta address kurigina jabole laga itu issues ase. Ekta simple ekta intersection ekta di traffic light hala nishina hali ase bole bi itu simple nohoy de itu bra amakan laga traffic laga system di bishi tangor leap ekta loa nishina ase kilole do puila amakan manual system kuri thakishe bole bi slowly and slowly we are shifting to a more better aro more safer na system ekta di amakan itu shift kore ase. So thank you all so much. Amakan itu laga inaugurate kurigina jado kwa nishina. It is commissioned under the National Clean Air Program. Kurigina kura lagati kuri ase. Aro itu kurigina ja lagati amakan Dimapur Traffic Police aro Dimapur Police as a commissionerate. Amakan kura do not only the installation of these traffic lights, but under the able leadership of our Deputy Commissioner of Police Traffic, amakan itu awareness program bi bishi kurigina chaya ase. Students kan laga logote nohile commuters kan logote nohile daily drivers commuters alak logote itu sob to amakan kurigina chaya ase. In addition to this, amakan aha din dibi aro alak jaga de important intersections jaga kan de amakan ENPR cameras bi halibo, CCTV cameras kan bi halibo aro amakan laga Dimapur yati thaka citizens kan di safety dibole karone ito kan do haligina jabole laga ase aro amakan nurukigina ito awareness program do ini kurigina jabole ase. Moi ekta duita point add kuribole mon jado itu laga awareness amakan aji create kuri ase ito kan haligina jay ase bolebi itu laga main amakan itu laga bra advantage aro lab pabuli kan do amakan laga citizens kan ase itu sob to amakan laga yati Dimapur citizens kan currently kura laga ase itu de amakan police pra implement to kure bolebi without the joint participation from the public iman amakan kiki kuri tagishi bolebi government ba initiative alak loi tagishi bolebi ito kan bi fail hobo. So like the collective itu participation from the public as well as your responsibility apna kan laga patience apna kan laga discipline do rasta de apna kan ba biradam dibe itu bi dikhabi de aro aji traffic light install kora do let us follow the light respect the rules so that our roads become safe not only for the drivers commuters kanikla noy hole bi pedestrians karone bi safe hole karone itu laga amakan sob koshish koribo bai kina itu laga ekta koi ase national clean air program de amakan itu install kori ase we are installing these smart systems so as to ensure that the emissions the carbon emissions due to unnecessary stoppages amakan unnecessary stoppages kan lokal thakha laga do itu komdi koribo aro amakan laga itu मेरा commuters kan garne bi amagan bi system to olok hal wala lina ja laga itu ekta puro bole laga ase in the days to come amagan Dimapur police Dimapur traffic police we are planning to introduce this integrated traffic management system itu puri kina jawole laga amagan itu vision ase plus amagan integrated command and control center bi banai kina jawole laga itu puri kina ase in the days to come also our under the able leadership of our deputy commissioner amagan itu initiatives alag-alag loi kina jawole ase so amagan sok logoti the district administration logoti bi bishi pushi pa ase and then at the outset plus at the outset no lobi as a very important line I would like to highlight that we need the participation of the citizens to ensure that our roads remain safe and then roads remain safe ikla noy holibi roads remain better for the commuters also. So thank you all so much for coming today. Amagan ito low fight akibo holibi amagan ito laga traffic regulations kan pura dam dia. Apna kan laga yat media personalities media fraternity laga bi apna kan laga motor pe lagi bode ito kiki korigina jadam dia. Apna kan barbi ito awareness create pura de. Holibi alak-alak kam korigina jadam dia apna kan laga motor pe lagi bode ito gina take cover for this. Thank you all so much. Philips point inaugurate policy. Let this be a house where we can provide assistances to our public and be a blessing.
First of all, I'd like to thank our Commissioner of Police, Ma'am Atullah, and also GCB Traffic and his team for constructing this booth. And also, I'd like to thank the government of Nagaland and also the NCAP, that is National Clean Air Program, for sanctioning the amount, and hope that this booth will give us proper traffic management in Dimapur and also will help us in controlling the pollutions in days to come. So with these few words, I would like to inaugurate this new traffic management booth in Tupinala, invoking God's blessing and in presence of our Commissioner of Police and her team, and in presence of media person, I, Dr. Dino Chang, DC Dimapur, inaugurate this management book for the benefit of proper traffic management and also for the welfare of the public.